If you're looking for a family-friendly third-row SUV, no need to look any further. Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2021 Dodge Durango GT Blacktop in Diamond Black Crystal Pearl. It comes equipped with a performance hood, which is an upgrade, a 20-inch aluminum wheel package included with that blacktop package. Every trim is going to be blacked out, super sharp looking, especially combined with the vehicle being in Diamond Black Crystal. Comes with a safety and security package of blind spot and crosspath detection, a tow package which can tow up to 5,000 pounds, premium package, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, remote start system, only 33,000 miles on the odometer, a 10.1-inch touchscreen display with navigation, rear backup camera system, upgraded premium package 2, heated second row seats, rear DVD entertainment center so you can take this thing across the country. All the family can take a look at the screens, enjoy themselves, a power sunroof, power liftgate, a gas saver for those road trips at 3.6 liter V6 engine, and so much more. Please, for additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com. Search stock number D6746.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.